Hey guys, so I'm gonna do a style for you that I think you've seen everywhere, and it looks really complicated, but it's actually so easy. I'm gonna do two kind of like pigtail styles. So I separated my hair, brushed it through. I just put the elastic and then I'm just gonna flip this through like a topsy tail. So that's so you can see where we're going with this. I'm gonna do this the whole way down. The other cute thing you can do, maybe I'll do that instead of the topsy tails all the way down, because the topsy tails all the way down is so cute, but it's really easy. Another cute way to do like a braided style but not have it be braids is do the topsy tail, then alternate with knots. So you're just gonna knot it and then tie it off in the back. And I have these little elastics. I just got them from Sally's. They're like $2, so you can get a bunch of them and just kind of play around. And obviously my hair is really long, so it makes it easier. But you can do this with shorter hair too. If you'd like longer hair and extensions like mine, you can visit TemeculaHairExtensions.com. I do natural beaded row hair extensions, and they're so versatile. They let you do a ton of styles because you can't see them in the back. When you split your hair down, they blend in perfectly, so they're super versatile for styles like this. So I'll take two more sections from the back. I love these styles because they're kind of like just messy-ish and kind of gives the thought of like, how did she do that? And it's super easy. So it's all coming together. You can use texture spray too if your hair's too slippery. And then I might just leave this out. Sticky thing, it's not working anymore. It's time for a new one. That's okay. See if it stays. If it doesn't stay, I'll finish it up and then we'll come back to it. So the point is, you can just kind of do whatever whatever style you want. You can combine all these different little tricks, knots, and topsy tails, and it ends up looking so cool and super cute and so simple. We'll just tie this off down here, and that'll be our final loop. And it gives it that braided look. Not wanting to stick. These sticky cases are super cool, but okay, so there you go. There's one side down. I'll probably cover up this little elastic. I'll show you a cool trick for that. But I'm gonna do the other side, and then I'll find a way to prop up my phone and then show you the finished product. All right? So I finished the other side, and there's the final product. I forgot to mention in the beginning, I always leave some hair out because I just like it around my face. I don't like all my hair tucked back. But yeah, so I think it turned out really cute, and I'll probably pair this with like a hat. I got this really cute hat from Beachy the other day, and here it is. Let's see how this looks.